In the last lecture, you learned why copywriting is your secret business and career building tool. Now, as a professional copywriter, it makes sense for you to know a bit about the science behind words themselves. So in this lecture, I'm going to share with you some of the most seductive words in the English language and how to harness them to make your copy better, stronger, and more compelling. Let's dig in. When BT hired a copywriter to rewrite 30,000 words of call centre scripts, it saved a whopping £6 million in revenue. That's because clearer communication improved outcomes and reduced call times. And we all know these three words, don't we? But did you know that they transformed Nike from a multi-million-dollar business into a $9.2 billion business in just 10 years? Big figures for such a small thing as words, right? And yet words aren't small. They wield incredible power. They also affect how we think. If police use the word interrogation instead of the word interview when they're questioning a person, one study found that they're more likely to view that person as guilty. One word, massively different outcome potentially. That's because words carry subtle nuance that influence how we think, often without us even knowing it. So it follows that carefully chosen words in your copy can almost hypnotically generate new behaviours in your customers too. In fact, there are certain scientifically proven words you can use to dramatically boost your conversion rates. Copywriters call them power words, words like secret, discover, and free. They're called power words because they trigger an emotional response in the reader and get them to take an action. Let's try some on you with a copy mission. Okay, imagine you're standing in line for the photocopier. You're late for a meeting. You desperately need to cut in front of the other people in the line. Which of the following statements do you think would be more effective? 1. Excuse me, I have 5 pages. May I use the Xerox machine? 2. Excuse me, I have 5 pages. May I use the Xerox machine because I'm in a rush? Or 3. Excuse me, I have 5 pages. May I use the Xerox machine because I have to make some copies? Pause the video and write down your answer. Okay, what did you think? If you answered statement 2, you'd be absolutely right. The I'm in a rush part adds urgency and more people are likely to let you cut in front of the line. But the surprising outcome of this Harvard study, by the way, is that statement 3 got a 93% success rate. And yet it doesn't even make sense. Just saying because I have to make some copies is not a valid reason. So why did it get such a good response? It's because of the word because, which is a highly persuasive power word that encourages people to comply with you, even if there's no logical or valid reason for them to, as we've just seen, which is why great copywriters use carefully chosen power words to beef up their copy and draw their readers in, and you should too. And by the way, you'll find a lovely long list of power words in the resources section. They're going to help you write punchier, more compelling copy, I promise. Well done. Hopefully now you're ready to plunge into the next section, bite-sized fundamentals. These are the essential building blocks that you need for writing any type of sales and marketing copy ever again. So if you're looking for solid, proven strategies favoured by the world's most successful copywriters, click on my friends and I will see you there.